Hello. So I guess I should start posting on this channel now because there's some more subs. So hi everyone, I'm ZAYLA REN. I am an alt pop music artist person from the UK, and yes, I live in a school. That's probably why you're all on here, but I am actually a musician. So yeah, people have been asking me how I've been doing my makeup recently, which is actually cool. People have been asking me how I've been doing my makeup because I do like a cool graphic liner and stuff like that. And before, back in the day, that used to be a lie when we used to say that, like, oh my god, people have been asking me how I do my makeup. But now people actually are, so you know, which is pretty crazy. So I'm gonna show you while I do my makeup today. I hope that's okay. So let's go. So to start off with, I'm actually running out of this. This is how I prep my skin. Yeah, there's not a lot in this anymore. I need some more. Cleansing antibacterial water. Hell yeah. A bit of e.l.f. face cream. Wah! We're doing the OG stuff, like the tapping on them. I don't even know. So moisturize me, moisturize me. So yeah, I have some singles out and I should be releasing a new song soon. I'm trying to hit 10k followers on TikTok. So yeah, if you want to head over to my TikTok. So we are all moisturized. I've been struggling with like a little skin problem here for like a year now. It started so bad, like all around here, went up to my eyes and everything. This is the clearest my skin's been in a while, but it's just here, like it won't go. So any advice, please help a girl out. I'm using this like gel for it, but it hasn't gone. It's been a year now and it's still under my nose. I've been using my MAC Studio Fix, made in Belgium, N4. Don't know. I've been using that, and I've been mixing it with this e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'm pretty sure this was quite big on TikTok for a while. So yeah, and then I just kind of mix it on my hand. This just gives it a nice little glow. You will probably expect a lot more from this video than what I'm actually going to give you. This is like an easy makeup look, but yeah, just mixy mix, and then I just go straight in with my base. So this is the life of a pop star who can't afford makeup brushes. I lie, I do have makeup brushes. Actually, I need new foundation brushes, but I do find this blends a lot better, so. Oh my god, there's a plane. That's so low. Oh, I wonder, is it EasyJet? I don't know, should we have a look? I'm a flight radar whore. It is EasyJet, that's so bad that I knew. Amsterdam to Birmingham. How lovely. Yeah, okay, the next thing I actually use is Technique Triple Wave. I think it's just like a darker concealer. Apparently gotta do that now. It's a darker concealer, but I use it as a contour, so. Because a lot of contours are orange on my skin. So this is so pigmented, I literally do not need a lot of it, so. See how pigmented it is, and I literally have just touched the surface. It's definitely a trust the process. Okay, so we have done the contour base. So at this point, you're probably wondering why I live in a school. So I'm gonna tell you. Basically, it's a guardianship. So a guardianship is basically, I don't even know if it's to do with the council or whatever. I have no idea. This is my blush that I use. Lottie. Guardianship. There's loads of big buildings around the UK that companies, they need you to look after them. So this is one of them. So essentially I live here, I pay rent, and yeah, it's pretty much what it is, but it's an old school, it's abandoned. They've used it for other things, like part of the building, they've used it for, I don't know. Oh, there's people coming in. Okay, cool, slay. Yeah, and I live here now, so there's a few musicians and stuff that live here as well, which is pretty nice, but there's not much to it, honestly. That's pretty much it, to be honest. I have a big classroom to myself, which is pretty cool. I have all of my things in here. Okay, we've done this bit. Next is my eyeliner. So I do different things for my eyes. People were liking my white, so I'm gonna go for the white today. So essentially what I've been doing is like a graphic liner. So I'll do my corner. This is Revolution. There you go, Revolution. And it's like a double-ended. I love planes. Sleeve in my eye. That'll do. It's definitely uneven, but I'm not here to be perfect, so. Okay, so I do the corners and then essentially. So I've just been doing like a wing. So I'll pull my skin out a little bit and then just literally bring it up like that. And I will literally just like smudge it out a bit to make it pointier. I'm not a makeup artist, so this is just, yeah. Bring it onto the lid. I'm blind in the eye, so that's essentially what I do as base on my eyes. So my Revolution Tappy Tap, which is really cute. And then I'll use this one. Dab dab, just on a little brush, and I'll literally just put it under my eye like this. Just to make my eyes pop. Okay, and then I'll get my Fenty Beauty. This is gorgeous. This is How Many Carats Fenty Beauty highlighter. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And I actually just put, it's my highlighter, but I'll put it on my lids. Pretty. And then I'll do my nose, my lip. I coat myself in highlighter, not gonna lie, oopsies. Again, I use my fingers, I'm terrible. I should not be doing this. I should not be doing a makeup tutorial for you because I don't do my makeup properly. So then I'm like glowy, and then sometimes I'll whack it on my tears as well. Okay. Normally I have lashes on, but I haven't today, so we do this. Use UK Lash. I think this was from TikTok Shop, yeah. Just put a little bit of mascara, and then I will just add like little sections down here. Ta-da! And then this is the big thing. This is the main thing that people have said that they like, which is my lips. So this is the NYX Duck Plump. I did not even know you could get a plumping lip liner, to be honest. I just had a missed call. Don't know who from. So this is yeah, plumping lip liner, which is pretty crazy, not gonna lie. So I don't even know where I got this from. I think it was Boots. Disclaimer, do not use this on your entire lips because it will hurt like a mofo. I did because I liked the colour. Oh my god, it was so sore. Colour of this is Touch Up Taupe. Taupe, is that how you say it? And then I use, this is very old as you can see, NYX Suede, a Free Spirit maybe, very old as you can see. And then the final, Fenty Beauty, la la la. You see it, it's so pretty. It's called Miss Jellyfish, and this is so pretty. Okay. But I will spray this again. Oh yeah. I need to get me some more of that today. So, okay. That is my makeup. Sometimes I'll put a little love heart. Shall I put a little love heart? There you go. That is my makeup. So I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've learned something. Don't know what, but welcome to my channel, and this will be the first of many videos, hopefully. So I will be putting some vocal covers and things up, so if there's any songs you want me to sing, la la la, please comment below, subscribe, ask me anything. Yeah, I also have a WhatsApp group chat where you can join. It's in my my Feature FM links, so yeah, come and join the community and let's grow together. Thank you so much. See you soon.